And I think, listen, that's testament to Newcastle. That's brilliant for Newcastle, getting in a striker like that, especially after losing, someone like Alexander Isak. You can see, he's been scoring in his last few games as well for both club and for country. He's honestly, I don't know, I've said this before and I asked this question before about, the kind of strikers that we are starting to see making noise at this current moment in time. So, like I said, you've got the Alexander Isaks, you've got the Hugo Ekitikes, obviously now you've got Nick Voltemada, you've got Benjamin Sesko. They're in that kind of, I don't know how to kind of explain it, but big, tall, gangly kind of strikers, right? But they are excellent on the ball. And I think that's kind of where we're heading now when we are talking about, strikers in this modern kind of era. And especially when you're looking at the statistics and things like that behind, Nick Voltemada. Again, this is for the ones who want to take a deeper look, should I say. And guys, make sure you check out my video I did on Voltemada in terms of his style of play and his ability.